everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Autopilot. The use case here is, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, automatically create contact in Autopilot. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Autopilot is a marketing automation software. The issue here is that Razorpay and Autopilot don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Razorpay to Autopilot. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign in to our account. So I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Razorpay integration. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, first I am going to choose Razorpay over here. Okay, now in trigger event according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So I'm going to click on order paid over here. So now when you click on trigger event, you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, order paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Razorpay over here. So webhook, what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see we have the instructions written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Razorpay account. So I've already opened my Razorpay account over here. The first thing you need to do is you have to select the mode in which you are using the Razorpay account. Test mode or live mode. I am using it in test mode. And then in the left hand side corner, you can directly go to your settings. And here you have to click on webhooks. And here I am going to add new webhook. So I'm going to click on it. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. That is this one. So I'm going to paste it. Now secret and alert email, I'm going to leave it blank. If you want, you can just fill them. Active events. If you go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see select order paid from active event section because order paid is our trigger event over here. So I'll just search for order paid, this one. And now I'm going to create webhook. So webhook has been saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new order in Razorpay. Then Pabbly Connect will capture this data. So I'll go to Razorpay. Okay, so now in Razorpay, here I have to go to my payment pages. So I've already created these two payment pages over here. You can also create a new payment page by clicking on this plus button over here. Now I'm going to copy this link from here and I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so now we are going to do a payment of this order of online courses. So first name is going to be Fiona, last name is George, email is fiona15@gmail.com, phone number. Okay, now I'm going to pay 1500. So now here in preferred payment methods, you can see we have various options available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. Now I'm going to use card. So here you have to enter the card details. I am going to use test card details over here. So I'll just copy this and I'm going to paste it. Expiry, okay. Card holder's name, okay. CVV. So now I'm going to pay 1500. Okay, so you can see we have successfully done an order payment over here. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have already got our webhook response, order paid. And if you go down here, you can see the details of the customer. Fiona George, the email is here, number is over here. Now I'll just save it. Okay, so here we have successfully finished the payment of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Autopilot and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. Okay, so now here I am going to choose Autopilot. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, we want to add contact in Autopilot. That is why add or update contact will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other options available for action event. You can choose whichever you want according to your choice. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on add or update contact. And now I'm going to click on connect with Autopilot. Okay, so create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credentials like this, you can just go ahead with them. But here I am going to show you how to proceed if you click on new credentials. So now new credentials Autopilot key. So here you have to enter your API key. The instructions is written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to go to my Autopilot account. Okay, so this is my Autopilot account and now what I'm going to do is I am going to click on the settings over here and here you can see Autopilot API. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so this is my Autopilot API key. Okay, so I'm going to copy it from here and now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. So now this Autopilot API key is going to help us to build a connection between Autopilot and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay. So now here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So first is email. Email is here. Okay, so now first name. So I'll search for the first name. First name is Fiona. Last name is here, George. And here if you want, you can just fill all these details. I am not going to fill it for now. Phone number is here. So here all these fields I'm not filling. So custom fields. Here Autopilot allows you to actually create a new field according to your choice. So you can just create any field according to you. The instructions are written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So we have got our API response. That means we have successfully created a contact in Autopilot. So I'm going to save this. Okay. Now I'll go back to Autopilot and here you can see contacts. Okay, so you can see Fiona George is the name, email is fiona15@gmail.com. So we have successfully created a contact in Autopilot when an order was paid in Razorpay. So here our integration is completed. Now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'm going to go back to my Razorpay account and here I'm again going to buy a product. So this time I'm going to buy a t-shirt online. So I'll just open it again over here. Okay, so name I'm going to put here Steve Johnson. Email is steve@gmail.com. Phone number. Okay, pay 150 rupees. So you can see we have various payment methods available. I am going to click on card and I'll again paste the test card details. Expiry is, okay, card holder's name is Steve. Okay, CVV is pay 150. Okay, so you can see we have again made an order over here. So let us go to Autopilot and see if a new contact is created there or not. So I'll go to Autopilot. I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see Steve Johnson with the email steve@gmail.com has been created over here. So we have successfully finished our integration and our integration is working fine. So now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. I'll just minimize this. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect, it came to Autopilot. So now every time an order is paid in Razorpay, a contact will be created automatically in Autopilot. So we have successfully finished the integration of Razorpay and Autopilot using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.